Click on the link below to get price. The R1390 DTF printer bundle is a robust solution for those seeking high-quality direct-to-film printing, particularly in the realm of custom apparel and merchandise. This A3 DTF transfer machine comes equipped with a pre-installed laptop, making it a convenient all-in-one package for both beginners and experienced users. Right out of the box, the setup process is straightforward. The included laptop arrives with user-friendly software that simplifies the design process, allowing users to create intricate graphics with ease. The print quality is impressive, producing vibrant colors and sharp details that truly stand out on fabric. This printer excels in printing designs with gradients and complex color schemes, which is a significant advantage for artists and small business owners looking to offer unique products. One of the standout features of the R1390 is its versatility. It can handle various fabric types, including cotton, polyester, and blends, making it an excellent choice for a range of applications, from t-shirts to tote bags. Additionally, the DTF technology ensures that prints are durable, withstanding multiple washes without significant fading or cracking. The workflow is efficient, as the printer supports high-speed printing, enabling users to fulfill orders quickly. The bundled DTF transfer film is high quality and adheres well to garments, ensuring a professional finish. The user manual is detailed, providing comprehensive instructions that guide users through maintenance and troubleshooting, which is particularly beneficial for those new to DTF printing. However, it's worth noting that while the printer performs exceptionally well, it does require a learning curve, especially for those unfamiliar with DTF technology. Proper maintenance is essential to keep the printer in optimal condition, including regular cleaning and occasional ink replacement. In summary, the R1390 DTF printer bundle is a fantastic investment for anyone serious about entering the custom printing industry. Its combination of quality, efficiency, and ease of use makes it a valuable asset for businesses or hobbyists looking to expand their creative offerings.